Shauna, Toronto is in a bit of a bind right now with less than a week to go before some of the restrictions are supposed to change. As you mentioned, Peel Region has gone above and beyond what the province had set out. Now, there are active discussions taking place between Toronto and the province about what's going to come next and what options there are available.
We're going to see strong, responsible action that is going to be based on the best practices, because we've been working throughout to make sure that we know what those are in other places, and based on the best available advice.
Toronto was supposed to be shifting into the province's orange zone this weekend, but Dr. Davila reported more than 500 COVID cases in Toronto this afternoon. She said it's the most concerning since the pandemic started, and those numbers do not point us toward fewer restrictions.
There is nothing normal about this. It is a clear warning to us all. I don't think the current case counts point us towards relaxing the roadblocks we're putting up in front of the virus. The extra time we asked for shows that we have not reached that point yet.
Now, on another note, with news that a vaccine may be a bit closer to reality, the city has announced an immunization task force to determine how best to roll it out and fight any vaccine misinformation when the time comes. The city saying this will be the largest mass immunization campaign ever undertaken at one time in Toronto. A new report suggests a need to prioritize certain populations.
We will work non-stop to ensure that the intergovernmental COVID vaccine strategy prioritizes vulnerable populations, whether that's frontline healthcare workers or those communities that have been disproportionately affected by the virus.
More information on the new restrictions is supposed to be available tomorrow. Mayor John Tory and Dr. Davila were asked about the authority that the city has at this point. It's been a subject that has come up many times. They said that's part of the discussions that are taking place with the province right now.